Hello guys, Vish here. So today I visited one of the lake named Wachusett Reservoir, and this place is really new to me. One of my friend advised me to just go and have visit this place for jogging or having a beautiful walk on weekends. So I just visited this place with my daughter Aish. Aish is actually playing in the sand. So the best part of living in northeast side of USA is that you can find many of such pleasant, beautiful natural places or lakes nearby wherever you live. And this is really awesome. I personally love visiting these places. Wow, this looks so amazing. Aish, what are you doing?
I'm sitting and thinking something.
Why are you digging in sand?
Because I like to play like this.
You like to play like this?
Yeah.
Oh, have fun. This is beautiful. Ooh. Babu, but what is that? What are you doing here?
I'm doing it.
Oh my gosh. Babu, you messed up your pant.
Mm,
Ooh.
don't worry. After we go home, then we can watch this.
Okay. But Mama gonna scold you. That's okay, we can have fun, right? Sometime. Cool. Have fun.
Look.
Oh, Aish is having so much fun. Amazing. Amazing.